In a Taylorsville crosswalk, leaving one boy dead and another with some lasting injuries.
Tonight, one of the families is coming forward outraged over a prosecutor's decision not to move forward with felony or even serious misdemeanor charges against the suspected DUI driver. News specialist Andrew Adams is live with the story you're only seeing on KSL 5. Andrew?
Deanie, the family points out that the guy is even accused of driving on a suspended license, and they believe there should be more severe consequences under those circumstances.
Over 6 months later, few signs of what happened linger at this crossing.
My son and his friends saw a crosswalk, and they held the flag, and they did everything they were supposed to do.
For two families, however,
We relived it 20 times in March.
the night of October 30th still haunts them.
Our lives really were forever changed that night.
It was that night that Taylorsville police say a driver hit two boys in a crosswalk. 13-year-old Carl Finch was killed. His friend, Spencer Wall, was badly injured.
Actions have consequences, or at least you'd like to believe that they did.
Spencer's dad knew what police had on the driver, suspected of driving under the influence, on a suspended license, in possession of a controlled substance. And what happened since just floored him.
When we found out a week and a half ago, that the county declined all charges and that the city was going to what essentially amounted to a slap on the wrist was pretty infuriating.
Police and prosecutors confirmed the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office decision not to prosecute, a move that put the case in the hands of a city attorney. The driver has since been charged with multiple misdemeanors, including for the alleged DUI.
It all seems like it's a no-brainer, right? It also seems like it's a no-brainer that his actions caused Carl's death.
Spencer's family says there should have been a weightier charge for the death of a child, and they just don't get it.
It's that big a gut punch where you just feel like you're going through the whole thing all over again.
Once again, they wish the circumstances were different.
If that's not worthy of spending some time in jail, then what is?
We did reach out to the DEA's office. They told us because the case is still being actively prosecuted at the Justice Court level, they can't discuss their decision right now. Back to you.
Well, you can sure understand at least their outrage. Andrew, thanks.